According to the sewer, 817 South Orcas, December 11th, 2020. Looking at the main right now. We're going to come back from this point. Don't know if we're going to get to see this again. So, look, come back. So the city, essentially this is the city responsibility, is their connection to the main. Yours is from this bell back. You are responsible. And so, unfortunately, what it looks like is it's on your responsibility, but missing a big section of pipe there. That's clay pipe. And you got some rocks and dirt in there because it's just offset. Section is offset right there. It's like turning right as it goes into the main, and that last bell where it's turning to go in is shot. It's just not an ideal place for it to be shot, unfortunately. And that is right. Come out here, I'll show you where we're at. Right in the middle of the street, 6 feet deep. So, possibility. And the recording there, we've seen the rest of this pipe coming back from here. It's in good shape.